Greetings from the road. This is Freighter Jim. I'm in a suburb of Austin, Texas. I picked up this really nice 1966 VW Westfalia aftermarket camper. It was in the Seattle area, and I drove from Central California to pick it up, brought it all the way down here to the Austin area, total of about 3,500 miles. All vehicles I transport are loaded and unloaded by wireless remote control winch. I find a big box parking lot and I use gravity to unload, and I park on an upgrade. I also park on an upgrade when I'm loading. That allows me to watch the vehicle as it comes out of the trailer, make sure it doesn't hit anything. My ramp door folds out to 11 feet, so for low clearance vehicles, by not driving them in, you make sure that they don't take and catch anything underneath. So, watching it come out here, everything's looking good. There was a roof rack that came with it. It wouldn't fit in my trailer, so we took that off. So I think I'm out of the trailer. Let's walk around, take a look at this beauty. Isn't this pretty? What a pretty color scheme. The seller included some items. They're inside the camper. Look at the little pinstripe detail up there. This is why when you have a vehicle that you want to arrive in the same condition that it leaves in, opt for direct enclosed transport. Make sure you talk to the person driving the truck, pulling the trailer. That way you know it'll stay on that trailer and arrive in the condition, hopefully, that it left in. So I'll finish getting this out. What a pretty camper. From here, I'm picking up a 32 Ford 3-window and taking that to the Tulsa, Oklahoma area. Well, that's it for me. It's nice to see the sun out. There's been a lot of rain. Everybody drive safe, arrive alive. This is Freighter Jim. Have a nice day.